Congratulations to the winners. The Lagos State Health Management Agency is calling on residents to enroll in the state's mandatory health insurance scheme, ILERA. This was emphasized at this year's Universal Health Coverage Day. Health correspondent Aminat Elegushi tells us more.
Health stakeholders, led by the Lagos State Health Management Agency, took the streets to mark Universal Health Coverage Day with an awareness walk. Carrying the message, unaffordable health costs, we are sick of it. The colorful procession featuring a music band, volunteers, partners and stakeholders engaged commuters, workers and community members while distributing stickers and flyers on the mandatory ILERA Social Health Insurance Scheme. Permanent Secretary of LASHMA, Dr. Emmanuel Azamba, who led the walk, said the global commemoration is a reminder that health care should be treated as a fundamental human right, not a luxury. She urged Lagos residents to embrace the mandatory ILERA scheme, describing it as a key tool for protecting families from catastrophic medical expenses.
Health is a fundamental human right, and it is necessary to ensure that there are institutions in place to be able to ensure that people have affordable, quality health care when they need it without experiencing financial catastrophe.
It was also disclosed that Lagos is adopting a proactive healthcare financing model aimed at reducing out-of-pocket spending and improving access to quality services, with a call on employers, community leaders and households to support the state's drive towards universal health security.
I'm speaking to Lagos residents today. I'm calling upon them to not only be aware that ILERA is now mandatory, but it is for your benefits. It is a social health insurance plan that covers almost 80 to 85% of what you and your family will need as health care as you live your life.
From 1st of January, for instance, if you want to access services in MDAs and you don't have health insurance, you may not be able to access. You may not be able to get certain licenses. You may not be able to get certain things done if you don't have. But to make it easy, and to make it possible, LASHMA has worked with various MDAs. We've created enrollment centers where people can register, and be enrolled on social health insurance.
You only need to be a Lagos resident to come on board on ILERA, and the plans are very affordable. An individual is 15,000 naira for a year. A family of 4 is 55,000 naira for a year. A family of 6 is 80,000 naira for a year, which is very affordable. That's 12 calendar months, and you are covered for over 85% of the primary care needs that you might require. A lot of secondary care and a bit of tertiary care is covered under ILERA.
The awareness walk ended with continued engagement of commuters and business owners across Alausa, as LASHMA reaffirmed that through ILERA, Lagos is on course to ensuring no resident is left behind in access to health care. Aminat Elegushi, LTV News.